In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Teespring. Whether you are preparing to purchase custom merchandise for yourself or setting up your billing preferences to manage platform subscription costs, having a valid card on file is essential. Managing your wallet options is a quick and straightforward process, and I will guide you through the exact steps to link your billing details securely to your profile. To get started, open your preferred web browser, head to the platform's login page, and sign securely into your account dashboard. Once the interface loads and you are looking at your main Creator Hub, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where the primary navigation panel is located. This sidebar displays an array of choices, including your dashboard home, integrations, and listing details. Scroll down through this list until you spot the option labeled My Purchases and click on it. Clicking this option will immediately reveal a hidden submenu directly underneath the tab, giving you access to specific buyer options. From this newly revealed drop-down list, look for the option titled Payment Methods and select it. This action will redirect you to the main financial management screen where you can review your history, check active subscriptions, and handle your saved cards. Right in the center of this page, look for the prominent button that says Add Payment Method and click it to open up the Secure Billing integration box. When the modal window appears on your screen, you will need to input your financial credentials carefully. Begin by typing your complete credit or debit card number into the first field, followed by the expiration month and year and the secure card verification code. You will also need to input the exact cardholder name as it appears on the physical card itself. Double-check all the numerical entries for accuracy, and then click on the button labeled Add to submit the data. The system will immediately forward you to a secure verification screening page where your financial institution may request a quick authentication confirmation. Once you complete the verification, the system will update and your card will be successfully attached to your profile, allowing you to seamlessly process orders and manage your transactions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.